I am navigated to proceed to checkout of e-commerce website. When I click on the add new address button, a window should pop up. Then I should be okay. So that means like I'm navigated to proceed to checkout. So that means you must have a product uh into your list, right? So that you
Mhm.
can click on there, proceed to checkout, right? Am I
So
correct?
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
I mean, you can proceed to checkout. How can you go there?
Um, from the previous story where
Oh, okay. So yeah,
I started there.
yeah, got it. Okay. So then mention this into your prerequisite also. Okay.
Okay, so I
That
see.
you there should be a product or into your cart list or something like this. Okay.
Oh, okay, I got it.
So then you can start from there, so it will not be confusing. Okay. Then when I click on to the add new address button, a window should pop up. A window. Okay. Is it a
That's what
window? Uh,
happened.
okay. It's you can say the a model should pop up. Okay. Then I
Oh,
should be able to add shipping address and mobile number on staging. Again, on staging, you don't need to mention those. Okay, then I should be able to add shipping address and mobile number. Okay, API specification, API endpoint, all this information you have given from the Swagger. So use
so
API.
up here in acceptance criteria, I don't put this information. This time I put what you said, like starting from here, proceeding checkout.
Mm-hmm.
So I should write something about this, not like,
Yeah, you just mention them that yeah, okay, you must have a product there, otherwise you cannot proceed to checkout, right? So yeah, I don't have any option like to click any button proceed to checkout directly if I don't have any product to buy, or if I don't have like any product in my cart list, right?
okay, so question, do I just add that I should have a product in my cart, or
Yes.
and erase these two, or I should uh, leave them here
No,
and
no,
then
this
add
one
one
is
more?
fine. Yeah, this one, these two are fine. These two you need also, right? So prerequisite can be updated. Okay. Like if you go with another user story, you may have to follow this one also, like to add shipping address and the mobile number also, right? To
Mhm.
proceed to complete the order. So you have to mention there also as a prerequisite. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So now here you can see the API
As I
information.
said, the basic thing is always keep on your mind that okay, I am writing my user stories. I know what am I doing. I know that what I'm trying to write here, but if someone read my user stories and if that person wants to do something, wants to do develop or wants to do testing or wants to do deployment, whatever, uh, they can do this easily. So for that, I have to give the proper information what I can give. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Obviously, after giving all the information, still you will face a question. If still you will face some questions.
I see.
So okay,
Okay. So going down here is the API information here.
yeah, these are fine. Okay, go little bit up. Go little bit up. Little bit
Here
more.
or
I can see maybe your API endpoint is not correct. API slash user, that will be maybe the user, then slash create.
oh yes,
Uh,
yes.
I'm
This
not
one
sure
here.
this one is the your correct API endpoint, not the create one. Maybe this is not the create one. I don't think for this one, only for this specific user story, we have any
This is from the
API
address. It is from address.
address. Can you show me?
It's not from the order because I'm creating address. So I went to we have down here. See,
Okay, Click
So
here.
API address and
Okay, click here. Let me see. So name, mobile number, state, city, zip, address. Okay, then if you write down for this one, okay, then go to the your user history again. Okay, now it's
API address create.
then
So
okay, then here simply say that as a buyer, I should be able to add the address. Okay, and then you can
should I
write.
go up or
Sorry, yeah, go
I'm
up.
sorry,
Yeah,
I
go
don't know
up.
what you're trying to see. Yeah.
Okay, so as I said that here you can say write down in the title that as a buyer I should be able to add the address. Okay, so as a buyer I should be able to add the address. Um,
And mobile number it says in
uh,
e-commerce and
but on
in
there I can
API.
see that you can add multiple information there. Go to the Swagger again. Not only the address and mobile number, you can also add the name, mobile number, state, city, zip, address. Okay, so
I mean, in
all.
e-commerce, that was the next step after um, creating the order that they need address.
Yeah, okay. So that means that there may be 2 to 3 pages, means the designation, but for all those information, there is only one API behind the scene. See? So in
Mhm.
one page, maybe you are adding the name, in the another page, you are adding the mobile number and the name and mobile number. Then another page, you are adding the state, city, zip address. But behind the scene, for both only working in one API. I mean, after adding all the information, when you will click on the next, then it will send all the request with this information. Okay. So
Okay, is it
you need
just
to
one
understand this
story
also.
you're saying, or you're just dividing it? Like you're telling
Yeah,
me
you
name
can
and
you can mention it in one story. Yeah, I'm saying in one story.
just mention everything you're saying?
Yeah, you can say. Or
Okay.
go to your register again. Let's see. Okay. Then this one you can write like you followed the UI, so that's why you just broke down the user history. Okay, so then okay you can uh hmm,
Should I add name and then shipping address and mobile? In shipping address, the whole address comes.
mm, okay. So if you are following like the UI, then follow like what like if you have to give the name and mobile number first, then you have to give the address, then you can do like that. Or if you're following the API, then you can just simply do one user history for that functionality. Okay.
Okay. Anything else you want to see here? Or
No, it's fine. Okay.
also, I was confused. When do I add two independencies? I mean dependencies. Shipping address, and then the third one I think is payment. Hello.
Okay, as a buyer I should be able to make payment through Venmo app. uh as a buyer I should be able to make payment through Venmo app. Venmo app, I should be able to make payment through Venmo app. Then what? I mean, what you want to, why you want to do that? So I should be able to payment through the Venmo app so that I can purchase the product, right? Your
Mhm. Right.
your goal is like after payment, then you should be able to. Uh, so okay,
So for this, I say dependency is coming from the first to create order. Or do I add the
Mhm.
other story like for address?
Yeah, you can add those also. Okay, like without
So I
this
should
you
add
cannot do
both of
this,
them.
right?
So
Yeah,
every time I create a
yeah.
new story, I keep adding the
Yeah, you
previous
may have, if you may
dependency.
have multiple dependencies, you can add. That's why it's saying